Hey everyone, this is Raksha Bhargav. I'm 17 years old on a journey of changing myself from who I am to what I want to be. And while changing myself, I realized something that nobody really talks about. Sometimes it's not your goal, it's not your motivation, or not even your hard work that holds you back. Sometimes it's simply people around you. People always say that your friend circle shapes your future, and I never understood until I experienced it by myself. A few years ago, my entire world was pretty simple: study hard, get good marks, get a degree, and find a secure career. Don't get me wrong, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But that was the only reality I knew because everyone around me thought the same way. When every conversation around you is just about exam, marks, and degree, you automatically start believing that that's the only path in life. That was my reality too. Then slowly I started meeting people who thought differently, people who wanted to build something of their own, people who were learning new skills, taking risks, creating skills, and building something of their own. And the craziest part, they weren't special, they weren't already successful, they were just normal people starting from scratch. And then a thought hit me: if they can do it, why can't I? That one question changed everything. At first, I started doing what they were doing. I was just copy pasting their mindset, their lives, and the way they approached life. But over time, I realized something important. You don't have to become them. You just have to spend your time with people that make you feel that the more is possible. And eventually, I stopped being them. I started being me and started seeing what things are possible for me. My own goals, my own path, my own visions. And something even more interesting happened. The same friends that I've known for years, the same friends that just used to chase degrees, are finally becoming who they actually want to be. When I first talked about things, they were supportive, but after some time, they actually started looking at themselves differently. Not because they wanted to become me, not because they wanted to copy my journey, but because they realized that they can also create something new. Today, they are exploring different ideas, different things, dreaming differently, thinking differently, and that's when I truly understood that how much surroundings matter. And there's a saying that you're average of the people you spend more time with. And I think there's a lot of truth in that because you realize it or not, but people influence the way you think if they are around you or they are surrounded by you. Their standards became your standards. Their habits became your habits. Their beliefs became your beliefs. If everyone around you believes that everything around this world is impossible, doing hard work is impossible, then you'll think like that too. But if you're surrounded by people that are constantly learning a new skill, doing new works, creating something of their own, you'll probably end up doing the same. And that's the real power of environment. It doesn't force you to become someone else, it just expands your vision of what is possible for you. So, if there's one thing that I want you to take away from this video, it's this: take a look at the people you spend your most time with. Because 5 years from now, there's a good chance that you'll start thinking like them, acting like them, and living the life influenced by them in a good as well as in a bad way. That's why choose your surroundings carefully. They might be deciding your future more than you realize.